AI is truly changing the short form content scene. Gone are the days where you had to spend hundreds of hours editing your videos or hundreds of dollars paying an editor to do it for you. Recently on my channel, I've been trying some insanely time efficient strategies to make short form content, but I have to say this might be the fastest method so far. So the strategy is you turn tweets into viral reels. And once I started learning how to do this, I realized I'd seen this content before from the content kings themselves, Hormozi and Gary Vee.
I literally want to die instead of die.
And these videos had amassed hundreds of thousands of views on their channels and literally took seconds to make. So how did I come across this method? I was going through my DMs, replying to you guys, and a subscriber sent me this video. He asked if I knew how to replicate this style of content, which I had no clue at the time, but I said to him I'd learn how. He said, once you do, please could you make a step-by-step tutorial on how to do this? So here's that video. So in this video, I'm going to show you 3 strategies and how you can utilize it. And I guarantee you can make $50 doing this, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video. As always, I'm going to provide you all the templates that you need in the Google Doc below, so make sure to subscribe to the channel and like the video for the value. Let's jump into the step-by-step tutorial. So strategy 1 is the Hormozi style strategy, and this is so simple. You just have a black background, the tweet text, and this style of reel has got hundreds of thousands of views and even millions of views on his page. So let me show you how to do it. First of all, go to the Google Doc, and then we're going to use ChatGPT to generate the quote. So let's go into ChatGPT. So I copied and pasted the text from those reels, and I said to ChatGPT, can you replicate the style of tweets for me, and I'll give you some examples. Then I said example 1, example 2, example 3 from the ones I showed you at the start. And then I asked ChatGPT, can you use the examples I provided to write 3 other tweets? So now I have to optimize the ChatGPT responses to make sure that we get the outcome of what we want. So I just have to go and ask for some examples, and then said, can you use the same format but without the hashtags and the emojis? And then I said, can you use the hook and the statement and follow the same format? And we went through, just paused the video on these sections to see my prompts. So finally, my final prompt was no hashtags, no emojis, short tweets, and then use the 3 examples that ChatGPT got right. And perfectly, it spat out everything that we needed. And then at this point, it's important to say good job so the AI knows that this is the format you want. So then I just said, can you set this out into a table format, and let's go into Google Sheets. So a lot of people have asked me, how do you actually get it from ChatGPT to Google Sheets? And it's so simple. You literally just drag and drop your mouse cursor from the edge of the table to the top left corner of the table, click Control C, and then come over to Google Sheets and click Control V. Simple as that. And then you can just text wrap in. There we go. Perfect. And then it's ready to just export file, download, comma separated value, and then perfect, we've got that saved. Now it's time to hop into Canva and use the template that's been created in the description for you. So click on the link in the Google Doc or in the description and open Canva. And perfect, this is the template pre-made for you. And then all we have to do now is just use the bulk create function, go down to the apps, search bulk, and you'll be able to click bulk create. So here we want to go to upload CSV file, then we want to click Hormozi tweet, and then we just need to tag it. So we don't need the title of the tweet, we just need the tweet. So we're going to tag this, connect data, and then the tweet. Perfect. And then click continue, and then that's going to generate the 10 tweets, and just click generate 10 pages. Perfect. So one thing to mention, which is already pre-set up in the template, Hormozi's tweets are all 4 seconds long. So this is what you want to do as well. This means that there's an engagement and retention hack, and the video will go on loop as people read it. So this will show Instagram that people watched it the whole way through, and that's a good piece of content. So that's literally it. Strategy 1 completely done. And as you can see, good setup. So the only things I would change slightly is just to drop that like that. And then Hormozi does a colon, and then he does the bottom half. So it's like a statement, and then you read the second half. But you can make these changes, slight adjustments, and that literally took seconds. So that's strategy 1 done. Time for strategy 2. So strategy 2 is going to be inspired by Gary Vee's posts that have all reached millions of people, and they're super simple to create. Let me show you examples. So we've got example here with some clean background music, super short video, 5 seconds long. This one, so text on screen with a tweet, and then aesthetic background and some viral music in the background. And then this final one, This one has animated text on the tweet and then a viral song and then a static background. So let me show you how to make this. Go to the Google Doc and everything will be provided for you. So we're going to use ChatGPT to create the quote. So let's go into ChatGPT. So the prompt we're going to use to generate the content for this one is write a compelling hook and a short motivational tweet for the self-development niche. I noticed that the hook was actually better than motivational tweet. So I just said to ChatGPT, I think we'll just use the hook as the tweet. And I also said great jobs. So it knows what format I liked and which one I didn't. So then it could replicate the stuff that I like. Okay, so then I asked it then just to double check that I understood. Can you write another example? And as you can see, it didn't understand. So I said, just use the hook as a tweet. And then there we go. We got it perfect. And I said, can you write 2 more examples? And then I just said, remove the hashtags. Again, just pause the video if you want to look at my prompts and I'll make sure that all the prompts are in the Google Doc. Okay. And then say to ChatGPT, well done. Tell the AI. And so the AI knows what format you like and it will replicate that. And then boom, thank you. I'm glad I liked it. Okay. So then I told it the premise of the video. Okay. So we're not quite finished yet. Now I'm going to create 30 reels using these tweets. Can you generate the content for me? And then ChatGPT spat that out, but again, used hashtags. So I said, remember no hashtags and write it in Excel spreadsheet format, which it did. But then I realized again, there was hashtags in it. So I said, ChatGPT with no hashtags, please. And then it put it all out perfect. And then because I've got 3 templates for you from the 3 different Gary Vee designs, I need it to be in 3 different columns so we can bulk create the whole thing and automate the whole process. Perfect. So now we've got the content. Let's copy and paste this out of ChatGPT into Google Sheets so then we can bulk create it in Canva. So again, from the bottom right corner to the top left corner, come in here and then you just click paste and perfect. That will be enough, but you can just do like this and you can just do like that. Perfect. And then we got the table, but obviously I've already done it. So no need for this. This one's ready. So then we can just click file, download, CSV. And then that one's downloaded again. Then we come back to the Google Doc. I've created the Canva templates for you. So just click on the Google Doc, copy and paste, and then open up Canva. As you can see, you'll be able to use the template. And then here we are. So here's the examples. So let me... song, and then we've got 3 styles for this. So here are the templates. You can see I've made 3 different styles for you to use, and then we're literally just gonna use the bulk create automation function and blast out these 30 tweets rapidly. So let me show you how. Again, go down to apps, search bulk, click bulk create. Then we're gonna upload CSV file, the viral tweet CSV, and then what we want to do is just put tweet 1 in this one. So let me connect data, and then the second template. Click on the text box, 3 dots, connect data, tweet 2, and then the third template, 3 dots, tweet 3. And now we've got purple ticks on the left-hand side. We can automate the process, click continue. And there we go, generate the pages. And perfect, again, literally in seconds, guys, we've got all these viral reels made up. So let me watch a couple. Perfect. Now, bonus tip for this one is that you can take these tweets and go to 11's Labs and then generate a voiceover. So let me show you. Google 11's Labs, voice Adam, and then all we have to do is go on viral tweet, copy this one, go into 11's Labs, paste, click generate, click download. Now that's downloaded. Now we just have to upload this here. There we go. And then we just have to drag and drop onto the timeline, drag this across, shorten the video to 10.8 as that's how long the text is.
Unlock your hidden potential, break free from limitations, and create a life that's truly extraordinary. Dive into the world of self-development and rewrite your story.
Perfect. See, so literally can take seconds, and I think adding the AI voice definitely adds an element of retention. But if you watch my 300 shorts YouTube video, you'll see that we actually use the same retention hacks of the viral song, and just as the drop hits is towards the end of the video, so it keeps people hooked. Again, another retention hack. So that's strategy 2 done. Time for strategy 3, utilizing the AI tool called twitvid. And this is so fast, it's literally incredible. So shout out to Island Boy, my subscriber, who gave me the idea for this video and actually got me to learn how to make this. So we're gonna be making videos like this. So it's really simple, a good video in the background with your tweet literally on the screen. Very similar to the other ones, except this time it's just a video from you and then your own tweets. So I replicated this and then I added a little extra.
10K, baby! Crazy ride so far since leaving the Navy. Generally didn't know if I was making the right decision.
Let me show you how to make this. And guys, this strategy can actually be used to make money because you can use people's public tweets and download a library of them and videos of them and make these videos for them. Then reach out to your favorite influencer and say, hey, I made 30 of these viral tweets and I'll send you 3 as examples. Do you want 30 of them for $30? The membership for this is $12. I'll show you how quickly you could do this and you could scale this out. People are targeting short form content in my DMs for like $300-400, and I'm not willing to spend that on something that I can literally make these videos in seconds. If you make 30 of these, charge $1 per video, you could easily sell these for, and this is where the opportunity comes in. I want someone to go in and make 30 of these for me. I'm going to post 30 tweets on my Twitter and you can access them and make these videos for me and I will pay you. So the first person to do this, you've made yourself $30. Secondly, Island Boy is actually looking to do this to promote his music. So guys, there's actually people out there who are wanting to pay for this service. So learn what I'm teaching you and go out there and reach out to people and actually make the content and show them what they're going to make. That's the best way of cold approaching. I can tell you from experience, I'm getting hundreds of messages and most of these influencers that you follow probably have much more following than me and thousands of messages. So stand out by creating the content first. So let me show you how to do it. I promise you it's rapid and you can generally start making money with this. So go to the Google Doc and click on twitvid. And then you're going to open it up and you can either connect your own account or you can paste links of people. Also, I just want to shout out my friend and mentor, Mr. Reese, who actually makes these style of videos. And I saw that he used this AI tool. So shout out him. So you go here and you can literally just paste anyone's tweets here. If you just go onto Twitter, you click search, copied link tweet, and you click paste in here. But for today's example, I'm literally just going to use my own Twitter. So let's try and recreate the one I made. So we'll do my post about 10K. And then you can either upload your own personal content, which I think you should, because if you're going to reach out to people, use little clips from their videos and then download them and upload them here. But I'm just going to use a plain background and I'm going to just search celebrating because it matches the mood and celebrating 10K. I think, yeah, let's go for this one here. Perfect. Let's see it. Perfect. That works well. And then you can literally just go next. And it's literally that quick. And then next. And now you can add an audio file. So you can either use an AI voice generator to clone their voice and then use that, or you can just put music. So for this one, I'm just going to put music. And there's a list of viral songs in the Google Doc. So I'm going to click on that. Download. And then I'm just going to add that to twitvid. Create video. And guys, it's literally that easy. Okay, people, so while it was rendering, I realized that when you add a song over it, it will make the video the entire length for the song. So it's probably best to add the songs after the video is rendered. So that's what I'm doing now, and it's rendering much faster. But it's basically going to be exactly like this video. You click download once it's done, and then you've got a video. And this one I did a voiceover. So again, you could use an AI voice cloner and use their voice, or you can put a viral sound over it.
10K, baby! Crazy ride so far since leaving the Navy. Generally didn't...
And that's it, guys. So that's 3 strategies on how you can turn tweets into viral reels with proven methods and a method of making money as providing this for a service. So I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, guys, look out for a link in your emails because I'm going to be inviting 50 people to a closed Discord group, and it's only for people who are actually taking action and growing an Instagram theme page, YouTube automation, or e-commerce, or some sort of side hustle. I only want active people in there because I'm going to try and help everyone make money online with a really closed community. So look out for that. I'll see you guys next week. Your boys Gunskis.